Hello and welcome. In the previous video, we already discussed about Git branches. Git branches is like a new features that you keep adding in your existing code. And at the end, when you will complete your whole process, you are going to merge branch with your master branch or another branch, right? So branch process is always ends when you will merge this branch. Now, there are many types of merge. For example, fast forward merge, non-fast forward merge. We are going to discuss about all this because in the DevOps, it is one of the most important part. Now here, in this video, I'm going to explain you about fast forward merge. So, I'm going to create one directory and going to convert this into the local Git repo. Okay. So mkdir and let's create this directory, my code, cd my code. And now I am going to convert this into the Git repo. So Git status, it is not Git repo, so Git init, right? So now this is Git repo, and when I am going to create one file and when I will create one commit, it will be in the master branch, right? So let's create one file. Now onwards, I am going to use echo commands. If you want to use vi, you can also use this. So let's do this. Going to use echo. This is file created from master. Okay. And giving name file _1. And if you give the command ls, you will get this. Now, I'm going to add this to the staging area. Git add file1 and git commit this m, and here it is going to give name change from master. Okay, not going to specify any file name because we have only one file name. So no need to worry, whatever the file we have in the staging area, it is going to commit this files. Okay. So that. Now I have one branch, master, and in this particular branch, I have one commit. I'm going to draw this so you will get better understanding. This is my Git repo. Here I have one branch, master, and here I have one commit. And the commit name I have is from master. Okay. Let me increase the size. Okay, so this is my current situation right now. Now I want to create one another branch. Okay, going to create one another branch. Going to give name, branch name will be B1. Okay, so let me do this. Git branch B1. Now I am going to this particular branch. So git checkout or switch, any command you can use. Okay, git checkout B1. Now I want to make another commit into this particular branch, but to make this commit, I am not going to edit our file1.txt which I have in this particular Git repo. I am going to create new file. Why? Because if you are going to edit same file and when you are going to merge them, okay, if you change same line or if Git cannot able to understand the changes, you will get Git conflict error or merge conflict error. Right now we don't want to do this because as we are learning this branch merging process, if there will be conflict, we will be in trouble and we are not able to understand our main concept. Yes, definitely I have a specific video that I'm going to provide you to understand conflict and how we can solve this Git merge conflict as well. But right now I'm going to create one another file so to avoid the conflict. Okay. So I'm going to create echo file created from branch B1 Okay, and here I'm going to give name file underscore 2. Now I'm going to add this git add file underscore 2 and git commit this m change from b1 and done. And here it is git log, and I have this commit. I have two commit, change from the master and change from the b1. Okay, so let me add this. Here I have one commit in the b1 branch. Okay, and here I have the commit name with branch b1. Okay, now I want to merge this particular branch with the master branch. In the master branch, I have only one commit. Okay, and if you go to this particular b1, you will get both, right? So look at this. Here you will get both, but in the master branch, I have only one commit, and the commit is commit from master. Let me go to this git checkout. I will give name master. Okay. Okay. And if I were to give command git log, look at this. We have only one commit and we have only one file as well. Now we are going to merge B1, branch B1 with the master branch. Okay. But before this, we have to understand why we call it fast forward merge. Okay. Now what happens? See.
Hello everyone, sorry to disturb you. I am sure you guys are enjoying our Git GitLab course. If you want full access of this course having 83 videos, you can enroll it from our portal. First 100 students will get special discount. There is some limitation on YouTube, we are unable to give you support, but once you become our community member, our instant support is included, lifetime updation, completion certification, and additionally, weekly lifetime live session with our expert Bhavesh Atal. We want to improve your skills anyhow, so that's why we added 5 projects as well. We are also available on Udemy. Still, you have any doubts, any queries, you can contact me on my personal number. Thank you.